Oh, buddy, look what we got. 2009 Honda Civic. This is an EXL, so it's got factory leather, heated seats, sunroof, sport alloys, automatic trans, auxiliary line in, and it's a one-owner car. Yep, no accidents, straight and clean, one owner, perfect Carfax, and that's available to you online for free. Leather interior, alloys, nice Michelins all the way around on this car, all serviced up and safety inspected. Don't believe it's ever been smoked in. Mechanics are all good, and she drives out 100%.
Why waste your time?
Ridiculous gas mileage on this car. On its way to 40 miles to a gallon.
Game Best Fiends. Download it for free.
Cruise control, windows, locks, tilt,
Google Play.
auxiliary line in.
Without the R. Best Fiends.
Lots of options. Can't beat them. They'll run forever. You won't even want to drive them anymore. This one is going to get a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline. It will qualify for a guaranteed credit approval program, which will allow you on this vehicle to put around $795 starting down on this car. Easy payments, easy terms, great bank.
Here's what I know. I'm a dog. I've lived a lot of lives.
Wow. These are hard to find one owner, and they're even harder to find when they're clean and haven't been abused and driven hard and put up wet. So if you're looking for a little Civic, this is the guy. DasCleveland.com.